It sounds like it could be a coin on its edge, but I don't think so. I'm just finding a lot of iron and brass stuff here. No coins. There used to be a house back here, most likely. It's gonna be something right on the surface there. Yep. Right there's a coin. That's really good finding a coin back here, man. It's just a rose, clad dime. Way back here, man. That's just crazy. I just found a clad dime. Yeah. On its edge, probably.
You dig it already?
Yeah. It's a penny right on the surface, right there. I see it. It's a wheat penny. It's got to be a wheatie, man. It's green. Right there. It is a wheatie right on the surface. It's a wheatie. A wheatie right on the surface, man. Surface find wheatie. Oh, it's green too. Oh, beautiful shape. Oh man, I just scrubbed the date off it. Yep. 1917, man. 1917 wheatie. That's sick, dude. Right on the surface. Look at that impression that it made right there. That's sick, dude. Big iron down there.
1917?
Yep.
Wasn't it 1916 or a date?
No, 1909S. 1916D dime
Oh, yeah.
is a rare key date coin. This is probably another coin here. Probably another wheat penny or something. I don't know. Oh, dude, this thing sounds awesome and it's deep too, man. This is a good sign. Oh, let me throw my detector down. I'm gonna see what we got here. I'm gonna go deep. Oh, my bag is just full of iron, man. Oh, it's right there. Oh, buckle, dude.
What?
I just found an epic buckle, man.
Really?
Oh my, man. Look at that thing. Epic buckle, dude. D-buckle. Look at how big that sucker is, too. Oh, the rest of it's down there, too, man. I'm gonna be really careful with it. Be really careful with it. It's iron. It's some iron right there. Is it a horseshoe? I'm sure hoping so, man. I don't think it's gonna be a horseshoe. It wasn't loud enough to be a horseshoe, man. Look at this buckle, dude. Look at that thing, man.
Oh, that is though. That looks like up on the saddle.
Wow, that's crazy, man. It's crazy sick. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a big iron.
I got an 80 target here.
Is it a horseshoe? No, definitely not a horseshoe. No, it's not iron.
Yep,
It is
got
iron.
a big old chrome bolt. Look at that.
Oh wow, yeah, that's from a Model T, dude.
Was it?
Yeah, it's a Model T. It's not chrome, it's brass. It's brass.
I think this might be where the house was in here.
Yeah, I think this is where the house was at. It had to be where the house was at. Buckle was sick, dude. Just got an axe head a few minutes ago.
How deep was the penny?
Right there on the surface. I mean, you can see the imprint of it. There's a mortise lock for a old door. Mortise and tenon door, or mortise door. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. Okay, my bag's full iron. I gotta quit. I gotta go walk back to the truck and go take my iron back, man. I'll be back in a minute. Few minutes. Might be a while. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.